Hey, it's Brad. Welcome to Brad's studio. I'm not actually I'm in the building that my studio's in, but this time of day, the light in my studio is not that great. Plus, it's a mess in there. So this is the larger studio area where we actually build Camp Christmas and other things. We're working on Camp Christmas 2021 right now. That's actually going to be a live event again this year. So we hope if you're in the Denver metro area that you turn out for that. You can check out my website, I think in the exhibitions page of my website, bradramseyart.com. There's a link to where to get tickets for Camp Christmas. If you're here now looking at this, I'm assuming that you bought kits from me at the Glenn's Art Walk last Saturday. And part of that purchase was to come to my channel and we'd go through a tutorial on how to build those ornaments. Those are ornaments that I designed. They're based on old ideas of putting ornaments together with scraps and things you have around the house, necessary decoration when people didn't have as much money or access to materials. They're by no means reproductions. They're not intended to be. I'm not trying to make Victorian ornaments. These are ornaments that I designed. They're definitely based on those ideas, and they can have a little bit of that feeling, but that's not what they are. Anyway, the kits that you bought include 3 different designs. If you didn't buy them, or you're not in Colorado and you didn't come to that show and you don't have the kits, I will put patterns in the Etsy shop. And most of the materials I think you should be able to get something like. We'll talk about what you can use to make more as we go through them. So the next 3 videos are ornament, and I hope you enjoy making them. Thanks and have fun.